Today we are going to explore journey of a cell through its life called cell cycle. The cell cycle is divided into two main stages: interphase, M phase. Interphase. It is also known as preparatory phase. It is where the cells spend most of its time. Interphase itself has three main stages. G1 phase. Here, the cell grows in size. S phase. It is a very crucial step. Cell replicates its DNA, ensuring that each new cell will receive a complete set of genetic material. G2 phase. During this phase, cell prepares itself for division. Cell stores energy, synthesize RNA, microtubule subunits, and specific proteins. M phase, which is also known as mitotic phase. It is further divided into two events: mitosis and cytokinesis. Let's zoom in on mitosis, the star of our show when it comes to nuclear division. Mitosis is defined as division of mother cell into two daughter cells that are genetically identical to the mother cell. Mitosis is a continuous process, but for better understanding, scientists break it down into four distinct phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase. This is the typically largest phase of the mitosis. During this phase, long and tangled duplicated chromosomes begins to condense and become visible. Nuclear envelope starts to break down. Mitotic spindles begins to form. Mitotic spindles are the structure that help in separating chromosomes. Metaphase. Chromosomes align themselves along the cell's equator, called metaphase plate. This precise alignment is crucial to ensure that each new cell receives an identical set of the chromosome. Anaphase. It is shortest but most dramatic phase. Here, the sister chromatids suddenly pull apart and move to the opposite poles of the cell, guided by mitotic spindle fibers. Telophase. It is essentially the reverse of prophase. Once the chromosomes arrive at opposite poles, they begin to decondense. A new nuclear envelope forms around each set of the chromosome. This results in two distinct nuclei within the single parent cell. Right after telophase, cytokinesis completes the division by splitting the cytoplasm, giving us two completely separate and genetically identical daughter cells. And that's the incredible journey of a cell, a fundamental process vital for growth, repair, and reproduction in all living organisms.